Hi, from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today's recipe is corned beef. So this is a great make-ahead meal for your family get-together. We are going to take this out of its vacuum-packed package, give it a good wash, prep your water, onions, celery, and pickling spice goes in here. So what I like to do with my pickling spice is I put it into a little cheesecloth, so this way it doesn't get all over. So I'm going to add in a nice amount of pickling spice. Close this up in this nice rubber band. Take this and we're going to close this up and put this in along with the corned beef. So in that goes. And I like to just add loosely about a handful of peppercorns. So those are nice little round peppercorns are going to go right in there, along with 2 bay leaves. Okay, a nice little bay leaf will go in. Okay, corned beef has been rinsed off really well, and we're going to take that whole big piece of corned beef. All of it gets covered. Whoop, stick that right in the water. Take your cover. Hey Alexa, set timer for 3 hours. When it's boiling, you're going to just turn it down to a nice rolling boil, and come back. Keep peeking on it every so often. Let's get started with our glaze for the top. The glaze that's going to go on top of our corned beef is made up of cranberry sauce, apricot jam, brown sugar, and horseradish. So the measurements are down below. All right, our corned beef is almost done, and you want to now get your cranberry, horseradish, apricot jam, brown sugar. Get it nice and hot. Let it boil a little bit. All right, our corned beef is done, cooked for 3.5 hours. You know when it's done is when you put your fork in it. Ooh, lift it up and out of your pan. Excellent. Now, that is one beautiful looking corned beef. We take, our oven is on 350, and we are going to take our sauce. Oh, there it is. It's ready. And we're going to glaze our corned beef to the oven for about 10 minutes. Broil it just at the very end to get that nice glaze, to have that brown melted look to it. So it has that sweet, tangy flavor to it. This is going to go into the oven for 15 minutes at 350. Do a little broil on top. This is one amazing corned beef. When you carve your corned beef, be sure not to carve with the grain going this way. You want to carve it with the grain going this way, against the grain. This is a beautiful piece of corned beef. Your glazed corned beef. Soft, delicious. The cranberry, the horseradish, the apricot jam, beautiful. Oh, this is amazing. Make ahead. Recipe is down below. Hope you enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. This is great corned beef.